Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will learn about how to migrate Wix to Shopify website in 2025. Step-by-step guide. Without further ado, let's get started. Switching from Wix to Shopify may seem like a complex task, but with the right approach, it can be both straightforward and efficient. There are two main methods for transferring your store data: using a dedicated migration app or doing it manually through Shopify's built-in tools. Each method has its own benefits, depending on the amount and type of data you are migrating, as well as your technical comfort level. The first and most user-friendly method is by using a migration app. There are several apps available on the Shopify App Store specifically designed to help store owners import and export data easily. One of the most well-known and widely used options is Matrixify. To begin, you will need to install the app onto your Shopify store. It is a good idea to explore a few options before deciding, as different apps offer different features depending on your migration needs. Once the app is installed, the next step is exporting your data from Wix. This can be done directly from your Wix dashboard. The process is fairly simple. First, select the type of data you want to export, such as products, customers, or orders. Next, choose the specific items you want to transfer. Finally, click the Export button. Wix will generate a downloadable file containing your data. After exporting, the data needs to be formatted so that Matrixify can read it correctly. Matrixify provides templates for various types of data, which you should use to ensure everything is in the correct format. Just be careful not to change any column headers in the template. This could lead to errors during import. Once you have pasted your data into the correct template, save the file for the next step. Now it is time to import the data into Shopify. Go back to the Matrixify app in your Shopify store and upload the formatted file by clicking the Add File button. The app will then process and analyze the data before importing it into your store. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification confirming the successful import. This method is efficient, user-friendly, and suitable for migrating large volumes of data. The second method is a manual approach using Shopify's native import tools. This method is ideal for smaller migrations, particularly if you are only transferring product data. To start, export your products from Wix following the same process as before, then reformat the data to match Shopify's product import template. Shopify provides a sample CSV file that outlines the correct structure and required fields. Use this as a guide to make sure your data is formatted properly, and again, don't alter any column names in the template. To import the data into Shopify, go to the Products section of your Shopify admin and click the Import button. Upload your formatted CSV file. Shopify will then show you a preview of your first product, allowing you to check that all data fields are mapped correctly. After reviewing the details, click Import Products to begin the transfer. Shopify will then handle the import process for you. In summary, both migration methods, using an app like Matrixify or Shopify's manual import tool, are reliable and effective. Using a dedicated app is best for larger or more complex data migrations, offering automation and support for different data types. On the other hand, the manual method gives you more direct control and is well suited for smaller tasks focused on product data. Regardless of the method you choose, careful preparation and correct formatting are essential to ensure a smooth and successful migration. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Before leaving this video, please do make sure to share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and contents. Peace out.